How to diamond paint with diamond painting bling art. Step 1. Open up the diamond painting kit. Step 2. Open up and separate the drill bags. Step 3. Pick a bag and match DMC number to the legend. Step 4. Pour drills into tray and shake to align. Step 5. Dip the pen in the wax and peel back plastic cover. Step 6. Let the diamond painting begin. Step 7. Roll over the drills to flatten. Step 8. Frame and enjoy. diamondpaintingblingart.com. Follow us on Facebook at DP Bling Art.